With its lightweight texture and replenishing hydration, Hydra Light Repair Lotion delivers skin barrier-sustaining moisture and strengthening support. This light lotion locks in moisture all day and supports skin's natural repair process overnight. As a key component in the moisturizing step of your skincare regimen, Hydra Light Repair Lotion follows your Natrience serums and boosters. Formulated with calendula, a marigold flower extract that filters harmful blue light, and with ectoin, a natural amino acid that provides protection from environmental stressors, Hydra Light safeguards against damage. Ceramides that are skin-identical lipids prevent moisture loss, and niacinamide defends against multiple signs of aging. Apply to clean skin on face and neck. Use morning and night for combination to oily skin, or use Hydra Light in the morning for lighter hydration and Hydra Rich at night for richer hydration. Hydra Light keeps skin feeling resilient and looking its youthful best. Natrience, the alliance of nature and science.